Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Picture this. You've just settled in for a relaxing evening with Netflix, snacks ready, and you hit play, but the sound is gone. Nothing. No dialogue. No music. Just silence. Don't panic. Today, I'll guide you through every possible way to fix Netflix sound issues on your Vizio TV, step by step, so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows. Step 1. Check TV volume and Netflix settings. The first thing to do is check the obvious, volume. Make sure your TV isn't muted and that the volume is turned up. Next, open Netflix and go to the audio and subtitles menu. Sometimes the app selects a surround sound track that your TV or speakers can't handle. Switch it to stereo and pick your preferred language. This simple adjustment can fix most audio issues immediately. Step 2. Restart TV and app. Next, give your system a refresh. Turn off your Vizio TV completely and unplug it from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds. Plug it back in, then open Netflix again. Restarting the TV clears temporary software glitches and often restores the missing audio. It's amazing how often this simple step works. Step 3. Inspect external speakers or HDMI connections. If you're using a soundbar, home theater system, or external speakers, check all connections. Loose HDMI arc or optical cables are a common cause of no sound. Reconnect all cables securely and go to TV settings audio output. Make sure the correct output is selected. If your TV is set to internal speakers while an external system is connected, you won't hear a thing. Correcting this usually fixes the problem immediately. Step 4. Update firmware and Netflix app. Outdated firmware or apps can cause unexpected issues. Go to Settings System, check for updates on your Vizio TV and install any available updates. Also, check that your Netflix app is up to date. Updates improve compatibility, fix bugs, and often restore audio functionality without any further effort. Step 5. Reset TV to factory settings. If nothing else works, a factory reset may be necessary. Navigate to Settings System, Reset TV, confirm, and wait for the process to complete. Keep in mind this erases apps, saved accounts, and settings, so only use this as a last resort. After the reset, open Netflix, and your audio should be back to normal. Step 6. Adjust TV audio settings for surround or dialogue enhancement. Go to your Vizio TV audio settings and enable options like dialogue enhancement or TV speaker mode if you're not using external speakers. These settings can improve sound clarity and fix issues where dialogue is too quiet or missing, especially in movies or series with complex audio tracks. Sometimes the issue isn't with your TV, but with Netflix servers. If sound problems persist across multiple devices, try restarting your router or testing another streaming service. Also, ensure your TV isn't connected to multiple devices sending conflicting audio signals. These small checks often save a lot of time. And there you have it. Your Netflix sound on Vizio TV should now be working perfectly. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more tech tips and quick fixes. No more silent Netflix nights, just uninterrupted, crystal clear audio.